Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a complete body off, completely restored 1967 Corvette Roadster, finished in the original color, Goodwood green, with a white interior. This car is fantastic. Literally just finished a comprehensive restoration, and I've never seen a Corvette loaded so far like this. On the inside, we got telly, power windows, 427, 390 horse, air conditioning, tinted glass. It's got a white roof, power brakes, power steering, even has speed warning. Original motor, original trans, original rear, original body panels. This car is as nice as it gets. Literally brand new. All the correct chalk marks. Out in the sun for the first time. Man, what a stunning color combination. We have the original tank sticker for this car. It's literally still on the tank. It's wrapped in cellophane to preserve it. A ton of other documents too. Originally came out of Texas. And my client, I'm pretty sure, is the second owner of this car. Man, new as it gets. $53,133 miles. Beautiful. It's rare to see a big block 2 with air. Here's the order copy. That's your tank sticker, but this is just a copy of it. Pretty cool. So good in here. Man, look how crispy the gauges are. So loaded. Beautiful. All the correct hoses, clamps, shielding, the cadmium on that booster. Beautiful. Brand new. All the right overspray everywhere. Brand new. Correct stickers, chalk marks. Even this sticker here is an OEM sticker. Incredible. Yeah, what a car. Soft ray glass, tinted glass. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. Incredible chance to own a gorgeous car. Thanks a lot.